All right, let's do question number 6 from this review document. I just finished 5, so let's do 6. This one's a little bit longer, so it'll be on its own video. Let's grab, I don't know, I'm feeling like using red. Why not? F prime at 4, where f of x is 1 over root x. Okay, so that's going to be a little bit more work. Then find the equation of the tangent line at x equals 4. Okay, we can do that. So since we need the equation of the tangent line, let's just calculate f of 4 first. That's easy. 1/2. So I know the point of tangency is 4, 1/2. Okay, so that's done. Let's see. So we're going to find the derivative at 4. So I need the definition of the derivative at a point. I'm going to use the this version. I actually like this version when there's radicals, and in certain cases when I know things are going to factor, that I'm going to need to factor and cancel, or if I need to multiply by the conjugate. But you can use either definition, it's fine. You'll get the same answer either way. So I'm going to do, I should use my notation. I want to find f prime at 4, and that is the limit as x goes to 4 of f of x minus f of 4 all over x minus 4. Okay, let's start working down. Limit as x goes to 4 of 1 over the square root of x minus 1 over the square root of 4 all over x minus 4. I gotta just handle my fractions here. And that numerator is going to end up being, well, my common denominator is going to be square root. This is 2. So my denominator will be 2 root x. And I'll have a 2 minus x in the numerator. So that gets these two together into a single term. Just get a common denominator, subtract them. And I'm still over x minus 4. Well, we can rewrite that as 2 minus x over parentheses x minus 4 times 2 root x. Okay, all I did there was I just said, oh, this is just x minus 4 over 1. I'm dividing a fraction by a fraction, so I flip and multiply. Okay, so we got that. Now I'll come up here and I've got equals limit as x goes to 4 of I just realized I made a mistake. I knew something was wrong. I just realized, wait, something's wrong. I made a mistake back here. So let's go fix it. When I subtracted these, my denominator is correct, but this needs to be square root of x. Multiply top and bottom of this by 2, multiply top and bottom of this by square root of x, and then I get that. So there needs to be a square root here, and I've got 2 minus root x over, why did I write x minus x? I don't know. This is x minus 4. Okay, all right. I think I corrected all my mistakes. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, fantastic. What do I have? X minus 4 over what? Or times 2 root x. But I can see that I need to multiply by the conjugate. So I'm going to multiply by 2 plus root x over 2 plus root x. And we've got the limit as x goes to 4 of, now let's be careful here, we got 4 minus x over x minus 4 times 2 root x. Now I'll need to factor a minus out to switch this around. And whenever you factor a minus out, you can actually bring that constant out to the front of the limit. That's a constant law. X goes to 4 of x minus 4 over x minus 4 2 square root of x. Those that factor of x minus 4 cancels, and now I can do direct substitution. 1 over 2 square root of x. Just double checking here. I actually I knew something was missing. Having one of those days at the moment. That's okay. So whenever I'm doing these problems, I'm always going back and like double checking. I multiplied this out on the top, but on the bottom, I dropped this factor. And then I dropped that here. So I'll just sort of lengthen that bar and put a 2 plus root x. And I'll lengthen this bar and put a parentheses 2 plus root x. Okay, just got to make sure that that sort of comes along for the ride down in the denominator. But that's good because I can do direct substitution right now. And I get negative 1 over 2 square root of 4 times 2 plus square root of 4. And that is 2 times 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we get 4 times 4 is 16. So we get negative 16. It's negative 1/16. Negative 1 over 16. Okay, awesome. So we've got this big argument here. F prime of 4 equals negative 1/16. And if you were on a test and there was a long one like this, just leave your answer like that, because this chain of equal signs justifies exactly what you needed to find. You can just write the answers to the other part of the problem right away. Equation of the tangent line would be y equals negative 1/16 x minus 4 plus 1/2. Done. Let's go to Desmos and check it. I think I still have my other graph in here, so let's see. We'll just do a let's just do a new graph. And our function was f of x equals 1 over square root of x. And let's do f prime. Let's do, first off, what was it? F of 4 is what we're doing. And then that's a half. And let's do f prime at 4. And we get that decimal, negative 1/16. That's what we got. That's fantastic. And then what would our point of tangency be? It's 4 comma f of 4. I can do that since I'm in Desmos. Let's just label that point. And then let's do our line of tangency. So that was our tangent line. So that's negative 1/16 in parentheses x minus 4, and on the outside plus 1/2. And that's looking pretty good. Maybe if I change the scale, it's a little easier to see that tangent line. Okay, make sure you can use the limit definition of the derivative and do all those rules from chapter 1. All right, see you in the next one.